So few days before onwards, in our life skills batch, after completing our session, you are getting small clips in the channel, in the group. Have you observed, right?
Yes, last 1 week.
Last 1 week, 1 week onwards, 1 week or 10 days, hardly 1 week. Small clips you are getting. Okay, like. So anyway, I promised myself to handle the session lifetime. Why don't you convert this Zoom session into clips, which is going to be helpful for our promotion, which is helpful for the students, for our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere these things are going to be helpful, right? Like I thought. Then I arranged a person. Okay, there is from our YouTube team. I arranged one person named with Deepika. Deepika, this is the thing you require to do that. Okay, this is the thing you require to do that. I prepared first time in my life process document. I prepared in my life. This is about the rules and regulations, what you require to do. This is our vision. This is our benefit, what we are going to get. These are the things we require to do step by step, like the SOP I prepared, process document, Durga Sir, life skills video clips ecosystem, complete process document. Complete process document. Are you seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then I told, this is about my requirement. In this I added the future enhancements around 2, what we record, version 2, what we require to do that like that. Now, so for any person, I will give this document. This is about our activities. Okay, like that. Ask Deepika, can you please train a person in your absence by mistake if you are not available? The other person is responsible to do that like I intentionally tracked, I arranged a person. Can you please train that person also like that? Then automatically yesterday, because of some urgent work, Deepika was not there. But my work should not be disturbed, right? Then immediately there is another person there, Hemant. Then I call that person. So today Deepika won't come. Wonderful opportunity to you to show your caliber. You can slowly you can do it. You are not required to worry. If any support is required, make a phone call to Deepika, or otherwise there is another person from YouTube team is there. Shiva, you can take the help, that person. And better to what Deepika did and what Deepika explained. Now you have to do in live without, in the absence of Deepika, like I told. Then obviously, yesterday clips, there is another person did. Now this ecosystem by default will run forever. If Deepika is going, I will arrange a person. Then obviously Deepika is going to train that person. Or Hemant is going to train that person. Primary resource, backup resource is there. So no issue at all. If both are going to be absent, then in my team, part-time another person is going to be trained. So at least one person is going to work. This system is going to run automatically forever without my impact, without my involvement. Getting right? Mindset is changing slowly. Okay, that's what that transformation you require to do that. Don't hesitate for delegation. Build systems, build processes.